Hello everyone, and welcome back again to this series on how to use English idioms. Today's idiom is to turn your back on someone. Now, to turn your back on someone means to ignore or exclude someone. As usual, watch the following clip from the film Toy Story 3 to see it being used.
Maybe Andy doesn't care about us anymore.
Of course he does. He cares about all of you. He was putting you in the attic. I saw. You can't just turn your back on him now.
Woody, wake up! It's over!
And here are a few more sentences for you to see it being used more. Number 1. Thank you for not turning your back on me when I got into trouble last year. 2. Your family. We will never turn our backs on you, no matter what. And 3. When he went bankrupt, all his friends turned their backs on him. They wouldn't answer any of his calls. So thank you all once again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified about all our newest video releases. Till next time, bye.